Okay, this is in a 2015 Chevy City Express 2015. It's a small little van. It's got doors on each side. I believe it's a replica of the Nissan MV. Pretty much, it is an exact replica. But anyway, what we end up doing is installing the auto page 350. You're going to arm the system. You're going to hit lock. That arms the alarm. This one didn't come with power door locks, so there's not much we can do here about putting the locks. He didn't want to waste the money putting the actuators inside the door. He just wanted to protect the van in case somebody opens the door or breaks the window. Will fire off. Okay. Okay. Somebody opens the back door, fires off. They go ahead and try to blow out this window. Or fire off the alarm. Okay. Any door they open, basically it's got 5 doors, but anything they open, the alarm will fire off. Okay. I'll show you guys again on another door. Let's try this door here. Okay. You know, pretty much it covers every door in the van. So anything that they open, the alarm will trigger. And it's got the hit button in the event that the remote control doesn't work. What you do, you turn the key in ignition and you got to press a button. We give him the LED here and this dummy plate. You know, he didn't want to go too crazy and putting an alarm that sends him a text or anything that's a two-way paging. He just wanted something basic. He's a flower shop, you know, just in case somebody opens the door, blows out the window, prevents the car from starting. Yeah, just something to give him a little bit of protection. This is on a 2015 Chevy City Express van. Thank you for watching this video.